you're looking at this right now, you probably want to just quit the job that you have right now and be an insurance adjuster. You want to slow your roll on this right here because there's a lot of things that you got to keep in mind before you even quit your job. So here's why you need to stay at your job while you're trying to become an insurance adjuster. Number one, you need a place that will allow you to take care of your basics. If you're trying to work on getting a license while you're trying to worry about whether or not you can put food on the table or a roof over your head, that's going to add to the stress and that's going to delay you being able to get your license. So instead of quitting your 9 to 5, stay there for a bit and do that so that you can, number two, buy the course Road to Becoming an Insurance Adjuster. While you're working at your 9 to 5, you want to work as long as you can so that you can have money saved up so you can buy the stuff that you need. And one of the things is this course. See, I wouldn't have been able to buy that course had I not stayed at my job. While I was working at my job, I did number three. I studied for the exam and I managed to get my license. Now, again, even if you still get your license, you want to stay at your job because you want to do number four. You want to make your resume, right? You want to have something that will at least look decent on your resume and show that, okay, this person stayed at their job for certain periods of time. And the job doesn't even have to be insurance adjuster related. Just as long as you stay there for a bit, get as much money as you possibly can before you actually leave to take on being an insurance adjuster full time. Now that you have your resume done and you have money saved up so that you can get other licenses, hire a virtual assistant. Now, there is a virtual assistant that I strongly suggest that you can find her in the description below that you can use to help you to apply at other agencies around America and around Canada so that you can get work. I can tell you this from experience. It took me about a good 2 weeks to be able to apply at the 100 some odd agencies around North America. And it took me a while because there was so much stuff that you have to do. You have to prepare a cover letter for each company. You have to send off the resume. You have to send out your licenses. And it gets tedious. But if you use the money from your 9 to 5 to be able to pay for a virtual assistant to do that for you, it can cut that time considerably. Like the name of the game with this is saving you time and making things as convenient as possible. While you're waiting on your virtual assistant to ship off the resume, then you want to put your time towards getting your certificates. You want to use your time to get your State Farm Fire and your State Farm Auto certificate. Without those two, you're not going to be able to get much work. If you want to know the best place to be able to take those exams, I would strongly suggest Alacrity Solutions for State Farm Auto and Pilot Catastrophe for State Farm Fire. And if you want to know more and you want to know why, be sure to get that Road to Becoming an Insurance Adjuster. This will save you a lot of money and more importantly, time in trying to figure out how to be an insurance adjuster and get work right off the bat. All right, family, I hope this helped you guys out. Take care of yourselves. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys in the next video.